Hello, 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 and welcome again to Tips for Your Voice. Vibrato, we are going to speak about it, but first, I'm going to tell you that I do lessons private, online, and group. It's called Singing for a Lifetime. It's a membership, and I do 4 videos in a month, live. Do exercises with you, answer questions, okay? It is a group, and I need you to go to my website, marquitawaters.com. So that's the end of my shameless plug. Now we're going to talk about vibrato. Do you have a hard time with vibrato? Maybe you have no problem at all, okay? Or too much? Or is it a fake vibrato? One of my students was singing her song, and at the end of a sentence, quite a few sentences, she would end it and have this fast vibrato. And then I stopped and said, we need to deal with this. And she said, I don't know how to do it, And so what we did was we went over how to form the vibrato. And that's what I'm going to do with you. You can do many different types of vibrato. You can add it in. You can make it the whole thing. You can mix and match it. So if I did, no vibrato, right? Vibrato at the end. Then we can do it at the beginning. Or you can do vibrato comes in, mix and match. You have choices. That's the wonderful thing with singing. And vibrato adds quality. It adds dimension to your sound. It adds flavor, color, so that it isn't just all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. I give you all. No. All of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. So you can see it coming in and out of when I'm singing. Opera, there's a lot of vibrato. So you'll have a lot of vibrato, and I wrote a few songs here. All of me, and one of my originals, another plug, is called Gotta Get It Right. It's the name of my CD. Yes, I recorded a whole CD, swing. But this one I had to sing different. So much opportunity for us in our lives. On our way today, look for what awaits us, what's ahead. Notice I had hardly any, but at the end of the sentence I added some. At the end of when I sang, I added. And then, I can give you anything but love. Oh, baby, that's the only thing I've plenty of, baby. Mix and match, all right? Yeah, and get a little guttural in there. Oh my gosh, yes. An old song, signing off. Now you want to be airy. Does it surprise you? There you go. Ain't nobody love me better, make me happy, make me feel this way. So way, I don't want to have vibrato there. Ain't nobody. I added a little bit there. Let me see. Those oldies but goodies remind me of you. Okay. Yes. And in Latin, so tanto tiempo disfrutamos ese amor. Nuestras almas se acercaron tanto así. There's lots of vibrato holding vowels. So all different types of music. Caribbean Queen. I love it. You saw her dancing. Okay, never mind. I gotta stop now. I'm giving you all these examples, different type musics, different type of things. In rock, you would have a little bit more edge to it, but you still want to add, it's a seasoning. And sometimes in like opera, it's going to, be a lot more. All right? So, how do you do it? How do you do vibrato? What you want to do is stay, 3 things, and I wrote them down. I think I did. Yes, I did. Holding a note, staying open, and staying soft. If you want to get vibrato, 3 different things. It's absolute. Okay? Now you could drive in your car and hold a note. But no, never mind. Okay. A shake is going to happen because you're out of breath, or it'll start happening at the end. Don't tense. You don't want to make it any louder. You don't want to close the throat. The tendency is, oh, I'm running out of air. Just stay open. At first, you might not get it. You don't close anything. You don't close in here. You don't squinch in. You don't want to fear. You want to stay soft. You can't go, You can't do that because if you aren't used to having vibrato, it'll just stay straight. So you have to stay soft. Don't do a note that's really low or really high. Do something that's comfortable in the middle. You will get vibrato, I promise, but you have to have patience. Sometimes you think, it should be coming in, but it won't always just come in. You have to practice the 3 things. Staying open, staying soft. And what was that 3rd thing? Oh, you gotta hold the note. So make sure you take a nice breath. Don't close the mouth, stay open, okay? I said it again, one more time. Hold the note. But don't get loud. Stay soft. Right? Stay open. Don't close the mouth. Hold it. Stay soft. Stay open. All right? Be careful because the tendency is to just let it go. And you want to practice coming into it too. If you're one of those people who go, Now with a lot of my students, especially younger, I'll go like this, do the shaker. And it's the vibrato, the vibrato if you're younger. And I do the shaker. I'm moving in. Okay? You can bring it in. Sometimes seeing the hand like this will help you. I know it seems weird, but actually it does. And in another video, I'm going to tell you about remembering things. Okay? And using different ways to do that. Well, guys, I have one summation to say. You got to either join my group, come on down, or you can be online, one-on-one with me. Or you can come here. If you live close, come on down here. But the membership is great because it's so convenient. And then you can watch the videos during the week as much as you want. But I'm live with you here, going through the exercises, not just telling you about them, but going through them, okay? Well, I'm finished with my shameless plug, MarquitaWaters.com, okay? Shameless plug, MarquitaWaters.com. Okay, guys, you have a great day. Remember, Smile. It's a great day. You thought I was going to sing, huh? I am going to sing for you anyway, but smile. Say hello to somebody. Have a great day. You deserve it. And your singers, you want to open yourself up to people. Get used to it. They're going to love you. And it's such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Hey, yeah. Subscribe. Leave a comment. Bye-bye.